Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your smart TV screen is black right after a power cut, do not panic. In the next 10 seconds, I will tell you the exact reason and the exact fix that works in real life. This problem is extremely common after voltage fluctuation or sudden power loss. I am explaining this as a field technician, step by step, no guesswork. Step 1. Perform a proper power discharge reset. Turn off the TV using the remote. Unplug the TV power cable from the wall socket. Now press and hold the TV power button, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This drains residual electricity from the main board. Wait 10 full minutes before reconnecting the power. This step fixes most black screen issues after power cut. Step 2. Check flashlight test for backlight failure. Turn the TV on in a dark room. Use a mobile flashlight and shine it very close to the screen. If you see faint images or menu shadows, the panel is working. The problem is the LED backlight or backlight driver circuit. This failure is very common after voltage surge. Backlight repair or LED replacement is required. Step 3. Test external source signal properly. Disconnect all HDMI devices like set-top box or PlayStation. Plug only one known working HDMI cable. Select the correct input source manually from the remote. Sometimes after power cut, the TV stays on wrong input memory. Step 4. Check standby voltage behavior. If the power light blinks or changes color but screen stays black, main board firmware may be corrupted. Power cuts often interrupt background firmware processes. In this case, software reload or main board reprogramming is needed. This is a workshop-level solution, not home fix. Step 5. Inspect surge damage signs. If the TV does not respond normally after reset, power board components may be damaged. Common failures include regulator IC, MOSFET, or protection diode. This happens when no voltage stabilizer is used. Important prevention tip. Always use a voltage stabilizer or surge protector with smart TVs. Unstable electricity shortens panel and board life. Final advice from technician side. Do not open the panel without proper tools. Do not randomly change service menu values. If reset and flashlight test confirm hardware issue, consult a qualified technician. This is Tech Vibes. Subscribe for real troubleshooting, not theory.